Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Another video here directly from the United States and Texas. So that's why the setting looks a bit different, all right? What matters here is the content. Well, folks, a lot of people were asking for a proxy provider where you can generate multiple proxy IPs in a 100% reliable way and with quality proxies. I was searching for some reliable partners because, I only bring good stuff for you, and I found NODEMAVEN. Okay. It is a very reliable proxy provider, relatively new, but it delivers quality proxy, and you will be able to generate 50, 100 proxies very easily. I will show you directly on my PC screen so you can see how easy it is. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you want to make money with digital marketing, paid traffic, SEO, and everything else, this is the right channel, all right? So if you came here through this video and you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button and leave a like on the video to support us because the content here is great. All right, everyone, without further ado, straight to my PC screen. This is their website. It's NODEMAVEN. I will leave a coupon here, the link in the video description with a discount coupon for you, and you will get an extra 2 GB on your plan, all right? This proxy works with a gigabyte system. So if you use it for CPA, for Facebook, see which one integrates best with your needs. But with the coupon we are providing for you in the video description, you will get an extra 2 GB, all right? So guys, the screen here is very simplified, really simple. Here in the proxy setup, we come to this screen, and very quickly, here country means country. So you can generate proxy from all over the world. From anywhere in the world you can generate, including from Brazil if you want. You can select here down to the state and even the city. So it's really awesome, everyone. Here you can leave it if you want, also random. It will generate from various places, but let's leave it random here just to show you how it works. Here is also the authentication protocol. It will depend on what you are using. Usually in Dolphin we use SOC5, okay. But see what you need, whether it's HTTP or just yes. So here I will select HTTP. I'll just give an example of how easy it is to generate. And here I can generate as many proxies as I want, so I'm going to set it to 100 proxies. I hit enter, it generated it for me instantly, so I have 100 proxies here. Here I can copy. And what's cool about their system is to test the quality of these proxies, you just need to copy the proxies here and use this little extension in Firefox. This little extension here, Pixel Scan. It will scan and show the quality of the proxy. So I will run a new test, paste the proxies here, and check the proxies. Here I can already see the quality of the proxies, okay? So you can see that most of them brought high quality. What does that mean? The higher the quality, the lower the chance the platform will identify that you are using a proxy, right? So here, if you don't want to use a proxy, if you have another purpose, you can go there and change the proxy. It's very easy. You won't pay anything for it. And if you want only the high quality ones, you can select them here. All right. Well, guys, now talking a bit about the price. Their price is quite affordable, okay? However, for 35 euros here, the first price, you can get the first plan, which gives you access to as many proxies as you want and 5 GB of traffic. But with my link in the video description, you will get an extra 2 GB. I will ask the editor to also display the discount coupon on the screen. But it is in the video description as well. So you will have 7 GB to use. So guys, here you choose the proxy that best meets your needs, depending on how much you need and how much proxy you require. Here, in this case, it's the number of IPs they have per country. So they have proxies from all over the world. People generally from CPA, which I won't explain what it is, use it for registration and various things. I don't know how it works. I just know that people use it and they need proxies. They need IPs from various places around the world, including Brazil. So here it's very straightforward. You will pay for this plan and you will have access to as many proxies as you want, all right? Well, now I'm going to show you how to set up this proxy in Dolphin, okay? So I'm going to take an example of one, generate just one proxy here, and copy it into Dolphin. So guys, it's pretty straightforward. Come here, I copy it, my proxy is already generated here. What do I pay attention to? The protocol. So HTTP or SOC5, right? I come here on Dolphin. If you don't know how to install Dolphin, if you're lost, I'll also leave a 20% discount coupon for Dolphin here, guys. Lots of coupons here for you, huh? If you don't know how to install Dolphin, I'll also leave a complete video here on how to install Dolphin, how to do it correctly so you don't get a virus on your PC and don't take any risks, okay? So let's get started. This here is the Dolphin screen for those who don't know. I use Dolphin for Google, for Facebook, for TikTok, for everything. This is just a sample lesson. I come here to create a profile, and here is the name of the profile that I will use, okay? So if you are running ads on Facebook, or if it's CPA, which is just an identification, then I will put here Facebook test, lesson 1. Here the type of profile if you are going to use it on Google or Facebook. This is just to create a shortcut, okay? It doesn't influence anything, so I can leave it as none. And here is what we want, proxy, right? So here it is, new proxy. And this is very important, the authentication protocol, HTTP or SOC5. I chose HTTP on the site, so here I come, press Ctrl-V, paste the proxy and test it here. Check the connection, done. It brought an IP from Asia, right? I've already brought the IP, the proxy is validated. I click here to create a profile and that's it, guys. When I access this profile here, it will already have the proxy from that country that appeared. It's very straightforward and easy to use. If you have any questions, leave them here in the comments and we'll help. If you have any doubts, there's also NODEMAVEN support. It's very straightforward. They help out. So if you have any questions or can't do something, it's very straightforward. So when I access here, everything I access here will already be with that IP, which is what we set up here in Dolphin. All right, well guys, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them here in the comments. Remember that the link to get the extra 2 GB is by entering through the coupon and the link in the video description. Okay, so how to generate multiple proxies there. A very quick, very objective video without any fluff. I don't like fluff. If you have any questions, leave them here in the comments, all right? And take a look at the other videos on the channel as well. There's a lot of good content and I guarantee it will help you. Big hug, stay with God, success, and see you next time.